Tired of endlessly scrolling through YouTube Shorts and wasting hours without even realizing it? What if I told you there's a way to remove YouTube Shorts permanently? Let's get right into it. First, open the YouTube app. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Next, tap on the Settings icon. Scroll down and select Manage All History. Then go to Controls and tap Turn Off YouTube History. After that, go back to the History section, tap on Delete, and choose Delete All Time. This will clear all your YouTube watch history. Now close the YouTube app and open it again. When you tap on the Shorts tab, you'll see that Shorts videos no longer appear. If this video helped you, make sure to like it and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.